Do you want to install AutoCAD 2027 on your PC and activate it using the Network License Manager? In this video, I will show you the complete, step-by-step tutorial from installation to setting up tools for a permanent activation. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any critical steps. Before we begin the installation, ensure that your antivirus or Windows Defender real-time protection is turned off. This prevents Windows from accidentally deleting our activation files during the crack setup process. So let's dive into the video. First, extract the zip file of AutoCAD 2027 using the password 123 and wait until it finishes. Next, click the extracted folder, right-click on setup.exe, and select Run as Administrator. Once the Autodesk installer opens, agree to the terms, click Install, and choose your preferred installation path. Wait for the process to complete. Important reminder, do not launch the software yet. Once the installation finishes, close the installer. Next, go to your crack folder. Install the Network License Manager. Once installed, copy the cracked at skflex.exe from the crack folder and paste it into the default directory at C, Autodesk, Network License Manager, replacing the original file. Go back to the crack folder, copy the net API3 to .dll file and paste it into C. Program files x86, common files Autodesk shared, AdsClickSensing, current, AdsClickSensing. Next, go back again in crack folder, copy the lic.dat and paste in Network License Manager. We need to replace localhost and Mac with your actual PC details. Open AutoCAD utility, head to the System Settings tab, and copy your computer name and Ethernet address. Paste them into the Notepad file and save it inside. Let's configure tools. Go to the Config Services tab. Make sure the Autodesk service name is selected, or if it's not showing, you can type AutoCAD. Click Browse to set the paths for lmgrd.exe and or edited lic.dat file. Check both use services and start server at power up, then click Save Service. Finally, head over to the Start, Stop, Reread tab. Click Start Server until it displays Server Start Successful, and click Reread License File. Since our license server is successfully running in the background, let's open AutoCAD 2027. On the Welcome screen, select Use a Network License. Next, choose Single License Server. In the server name field, type 127.0.0.1 or localhost and click Connect. As you can see, the license is recognized, and AutoCAD 2027 is now fully activated and ready to use. If this video helped you successfully install and activate AutoCAD 2027, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.